Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel ASFIN. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 20th of January, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 21st of January, Friday. Today was the third week of the month expiry and we have to see what price action has formed. But before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the world indices. If you look at the European indices, Germany, France and UK all are trading in red. China is also trading in red along with the US. So all these world indices are trading in red because of the rise in US bond yields, and investors are doing profit booking because the bond yields and crude prices are all-time high. Now let's look at the FII and DII data of yesterday. For 19th of January, FIs were net sellers. They have sold more than 2700 crores and DIs sold approximately 195 crores. If you look at the Nifty from the last 3 days, Nifty has been forming huge red candles, and if we calculate, these three candles have absorbed the profit booking and the uprun of the last 8 candles. And today we saw a closing below 17,800, which is not a very good sign. Though in the last we saw slight recovery in the index, but still we are at a range of 17,800 to 17,750, which is a crucial make or break range for Nifty. If we look at the upward channel which was broken by Nifty on 18th of January, after that Nifty has been coming down continuously for the last two trading sessions. If you look at the 15-minute chart and try to find how market performed today and how it can perform tomorrow, so we opened flattish and slightly negative, and we opened in the range of 17,920, and from there, as discussed in the previous video, I have told that if Nifty opens in this range, then the profit booking will come and the Nifty can slide to 17,800 to 820. Look how beautifully the support has been taken for half an hour from 11:15 to 12:15 to 12:30 range. Nifty was taking support at this level, but this support was broken at 12:30 to 12:45, and then again a sharp selling came up to the level of 17,680, and from there the Nifty has taken a support and given a slightly good closing above the lowest price of today and closed at 17,757. Now we need to observe tomorrow that Nifty is trading in a negative channel now, and we need to see where it can take support. So for tomorrow, if Nifty opens gap up, then the first resistance would be 17,800. The next resistance would be 17,920 to 940, and the third resistance would be 18,000. The first support would come at 17,680 to 17,700, which is the today's low, and the next support will come at 17,600 level. If this is broken, then we can see further downfall in the Nifty. Let's look at the option chain of last week of this month, 27 Jan. If we see that fresh call writing has happened at 18,000 strike price. Here 90,000 contracts have been added and a total open interest is of 1,53,000 contracts. If you look at the put writing is getting closed at 17,950. This is something which is showing that these call writers and the put writers are fighting in this range, and call writers seems to be winning. If you look at the support, 17,500 is the major support, and after that we can see the next support is at 17,800 and then 17,700. So these are the levels as per option chain. If we look at Bank Nifty was also weak today, but comparatively stronger than Nifty. If we look at the price action on 15 minutes channel, if we see that Bank Nifty opened slightly gap up because yesterday we saw a good closing. Bank Nifty was trying to recover in the last trading session. I can share the link in the I button which you can check. Today Bank Nifty opened gap up, and from there we saw a sharp rallying selling coming downwards, and there the Bank Nifty took the first support at 37,800 to 850 level, and then when this support was broken, then the next support which was given to you was at 37,600 to 37,650. Here the Bank Nifty has taken support. Tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens gap up and starts trading higher, then 38,130 to 38,150 would be the first resistance zone. Second resistance zone would be 38,450 to 38,500. If Bank Nifty starts trading low, first support would be at 37,600 to 37,650, which is today's low, and the next support would be 37,400 to 450. Let's look at the option chain and check out the levels for Bank Nifty. 38,000 is a major call writing zone, and 49,000 contracts have been added with a total open interest of 77,000. Another support is coming at resistance is coming at 38,500 level. Here we have seen some put unwinding has also happened, but if we look at on the put side, 37,500 would be a good support for the Bank Nifty. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my channel. The link will be given in the video's description. Thank you.